This lesson, we're going to take a look at the definite article the. The definite article is the most frequent word in English, so it is important to know how to use it correctly. We use the definite article in front of a noun when we believe the listener or reader knows exactly what we are referring to. There are several reasons for why one might expect such a thing. Today, we will take a look at 3 examples of that. The first one is, because there is only one. The Pope is visiting England. Who is the President of the USA? As you can see, I've marked the President and the Pope in red here. That is because we only have one Pope and one American President. So everyone will immediately understand who we're referring to. The second is, because there is only one in that context. We live in a small house next to the church. The church in this sentence equals the church in our village. People living in small villages often only have one church in their village. So everyone will normally understand which church you're talking about here. And the third one is because we have already mentioned it. And here's an example of that. Harvey Elliott came close to getting his perfect debut for Liverpool when he hit the woodwork twice in the Carabao Cup match against MK Dons. The 16-year-old ended up as the man of the match after an impressive first appearance in the red kit. As you can see, I've marked the 16-year-old in red. That is because this phrase refers to the already mentioned football player Harvey Elliott. So that is why we use the definite article in this setting. I would now like you to test yourself. You can work together in pairs and to answer this question. When do we use the definite article? Give 3 different examples of how it can be used. Please try to make your own sentences, and if that's a bit too hard, you're welcome to use the ones I've just given you. Good luck.